10 crunch 12s on one smart 3, 120 amp hours of lithium, stock out, nothing special, just a little something to play with.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Can I come in? I do a lot of YouTube videos. JacobViral.
Oh yeah, I know you are.
Okay.
Johnyy Bone.
Okay, Johnny. So, could you tell me your name and what's all on here, man?
Johnyy Bone, Team Hurt Feelings.
Okay.
No budget bill. Got 12 crunch 10. 10 crunch 12s on one smart 3, 120 amp hours of lithium, stock out, nothing special, just a little something to play with.
Yes, sir. Oh, there's your lithium. Nice. With all these subs, how do you have the impedance wired to on your
0.8?
0.8. Okay.
They all dual forward.
Yes, sir. And did you? I see you have a sub plug here. Did some go bad, or did you try changing it?
The other two didn't make it.
Two didn't make it. Okay.
Yeah. This is right here. This is the first time. Second day it's been playing. I started playing it yesterday.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. And you would this be a bandpass enclosure?
Yeah.
Like the 6th order in the back?
Yeah.
And then the loading wall you still working on?
10 to 22 hertz in the rear.
Okay.
But it don't play that low because them subs give up, man.
They give up the yeah. So these are 400 watt RMS crunch.
Yep.
4 dual. Okay.
eBay specials.
Yes, sir.
Cheapest,
All right.
cheapest woofers I can find.
There you go. And you put a lot of cone area to make it happen.
Yeah.
Low budget build, subs, and it's pretty impressive what you made out of it. And I'm sure it'll be even better when you work on the rest of it.
I wish you I think you got my daughter's Mustang. When she had the Mustang.
Yes. Well, she had a single 18 and a 6 order in the trunk. I remember.
Yep. Matter of fact, you got it at the Seaport show last year. She got a Jeep now.
Okay.
But I don't know where she's at. She's around somewhere.
It's all good.
But I wish you could have got my pickup, my F-150 with the 418. She's got my 18 now.
Okay. You had 4 18s in a pickup. Oh wow. Was it a blow through or?
In the bed, yeah.
Oh,
6 order in the bed, king cab, 6 order in the bed.
Oh, so you used it a big blow through, not just a half.
I come through the back glass.
Got it.
You know what I'm saying? I left the king cab open. It was all wooded out though.
Oh wow.
The back when she was gone, the bed was in the back of the truck, went all the way to the bed, and all the way to the tailgate. I mean, it was nasty. I was doing 55 to 20 hertz with it.
Wow.
On a single SFP 13.5.
That's good, yeah.
And 2 of the subs got loose, took my amp, and so then I was just like, I got 2 subs left. So I stuck them in her ride and just bought it.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Change it up. Yeah, man.
Just bought it. Matter of fact, they just got here Monday.
This Monday. All right.
Tuesday afternoon, just no lie. Tuesday afternoon. This car still had the back seat, all the trim and everything. I was riding grandkids in it.
That's awesome. Less than a week. There you go. Stock alternator?
Yeah, stock. 100 amp alternator.
Yes, sir. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Johnny's system. Be sure to give him a like if you haven't already. This was at the Savannah, Georgia Seaport show of 2022 in the summertime. So shout out to everybody watching my daily videos. Be sure to comment if you haven't already. Let him know what you think about his system. He did say it was a work in progress and he wanted to get this system playing just for the show. So do not bash him with anything negative. So this is a 6th order box without a loading wall in the front. Right here in the back you can see the actual rear port where the angled chamfered subwoofer mount baffle is mounted, and then behind that, in that edge corner there, is actually a port that makes this a 6th order enclosure without the loading wall in the front. So he did have some subwoofer issues that were blown, so there is 2 front patch cutouts that are actually sealed, as you can see in the visual there, that he closed off to be able to make this work. And all of these subs are wired to one amplifier, the 3000 watt amplifier. So definitely impressive to see how it sounds. Gonna get to show y'all how it sounds. Thank y'all for watching. Consider subscribing if you haven't already for daily cardio videos on my channel, JacobViral. So we're gonna be playing a 2-song bass demo here. He's gonna play one song that plays the higher frequencies. Then he's gonna play the second song that gets a little bit lower. You'll get to see some of the outside flex as well. So enjoy. All right. Yeah, I love to hear it. Looks good. feels like it's peaking in what, high 30s, low 40 range? Are you planning to do any kind of sealing off?
Oh yeah. This right here, like I said, I just for this one show.
Yes, sir.
When I get back to the house, the sidewall's coming out. It's gonna be fiberglass all the way to the side pillars, all the way to the door.
Okay. job, man.
Thank you.
Yeah. I know you tried to change, you did like some low budget build subs, and it's pretty impressive what you made out of it. And I'm sure it'll be even better when you work on the rest of it. Appreciate the demo, man. Nice to meet you.
Man. No problem. I wish you I think you got my daughter's Mustang.
Yes.
When she had the Mustang.
Yes. Well, she had a single 18 and a 6-order in the trunk. I remember.
Yep. Matter of fact, you got it at the Seaport show last year. She got a Jeep now.
Okay.
But I don't know where she's at. She's around somewhere.
It's all good.
But I wish you could have got my pickup, my F-150 with the 418. She's got my 18 now.
Okay. You had 4 18s in a pickup. Oh, wow. Was it a blow through or?
In the bed, yeah.
Oh,
6-order in the bed. King cab, 6-order in the bed.
Oh, so you used a big blow through, not just a half.
I come through the back glass.
Got it.
You know what I'm saying? I left the king cab open. It was all wooded out though.
Oh, wow.
Back when she was gone, the bed was in the back of the truck, went all the way to the bed, and all the way to the tailgate. I mean, it was nasty. I was doing 55 to 20 hertz with it.
Wow.
On a single SFP 13.5.
That's good, yeah.
And 2 of the subs let loose, took my amp, and so then I was just like, I got 2 subs left. I stuck them in her ride and just bought it.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Change it up. Yeah, man.
Just bought it. Matter of fact, they just got here Monday.
This Monday. All right.
Tuesday afternoon, just no lie, Tuesday afternoon. This car still had the back seat, all the trim and everything. I was riding grandkids in it.
That's awesome. Less than a week. There you go.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.